So I thought I should say something about the router table. Now, my shop isn't that big, plus all the lumber in here makes it smaller. But what I found to work for me, initially I didn't use a router much. Then when I started using it, the easiest thing for me is a small portable table. I can set it off to the side, someplace that's out of the way when I'm not using it. I can clamp it on the table saw when I'm going to use it. And it's right here. It's convenient. It's where I'm used to working. I have the cushion for my feet, the wrestling mat. And so it's really good. I can't do super long stuff because the wall is about 7 feet away. But that's okay. I typically am not doing that anyways. And it's hard to hold on to. For years I thought, well, maybe I need a separate router table machine. But where do I put it? And you need space around each item, each machine in your shop. So for me, this works. I need space around my table saw, and therefore I have space when I put this on. And it's a good height. It's not a bad height to work at. The other thing I noticed was from time to time, it seems to not want to click on. And routers don't last forever, but this one seemed to be dying, and so I used some lubricant on every part I could get to on the switch, and now it seems to be working good right now. So we'll see. I don't know if it's going to die on me today or not, but I do have a new one that I had purchased over here that hasn't been used yet. So, well, it might have been used a couple times, but not much, so that one should work. I'd have to mount it to this table, though. Okay, let's get doing it.